Hello. Today we are looking at how to install TREZOR Suite on a Chromebook. Firstly, we will enable Linux apps on our device. To do this, we will go to our system settings and click on the About Chrome OS on the left panel. Now we will turn on the Linux apps. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next part of the installation process, which is to run several commands in a terminal, which will install the application. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift and V together. This command will update our Linux apps repositories. Press Enter. Now we will install a menu editor which we will use to add the application to our menu and other packages that are required. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Now we will download the application. Now we will make the package executable as program. Now we will launch the application via the terminal to make sure that everything works. With the last command, we will launch the menu editor. Choose a category. Click on New Item. Choose a name of your choice for the desktop entry. The command is the package which we downloaded. Save the launcher. Now we will launch the application. Enjoy.